Hi friends, it's your favorite hair reviewer back with another video, and I have a unit that is a 150% density lace part highlight loose wave wig, and she has this cute bomb ombre color to her, and I just want to show you how it looks fresh out of the box. Curls on this unit is so bomb, and I think the curls actually set the color off. I think it was perfect, a perfect style. Again, this is a lace part wig, so you won't be able to part it differently. Like, you can't do a middle part. I mean, you can't do like a side part or anything, but the middle part I feel like works perfectly since you do have these two like streaks in the front. Since I am going to keep like the curls in the wig, I kind of just wanted to layer it a little bit so the curls will fall a lot better. So this next step, I actually seen this trick on TikTok. I'm going to take a ponytail holder and pin it down. And I'm going to pin it down in the front and the back. And I'm going to take my temporary hair coloring spray, and I'm just going to spray that on the part. And this is just going to give you a clean, crispy middle part. Once the top of the wig is completely dry, I just wanted to spray it down with some free spray. And I'm going to take my hot comb just to make sure that part is as flat as possible. Okay? Super duper flat. It's essential. To make the girls pop a little bit more, I did grab my wand. I think this is a 1-inch wand, and I'm just going to sporadically put curls all over the wig. They're like the same size as the curls that came in the wig, so that's the look I was going for. These curls make the color pop so much. It's gorgeous. Perfect for summertime. Since this is a lace part wig, it doesn't take much for you to install her at all. If you wanted to just put her on like this without gluing her down, you could honestly do that because they fit. This wig specifically fits my head perfectly. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut off the extra lace, and I'm going to use some free spray just to ensure that she's not going to budge or move anytime soon unless I wanted her to. Just like that, you have a bomb, gorgeous wig install in about less than, I would say, 10 minutes. It came curled, it came colored, it came plucked, so you really did need to do much. Perfect beginner-friendly wig. Everything on this wig is going to be in the description box down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later.